In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall a message in Gmail that's already sent. Before we start, a quick expectation check. Gmail doesn't let you pull an email back from someone's inbox once it's delivered. What you can do, and what we'll focus on here, is quickly locate the message you sent so you can review it and decide on your next move, whether that's sending a follow-up or correcting information. Begin by opening Gmail. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. You'll see familiar sections like Inbox, Starred, Snoozed, Drafts, and more. What you want here is the Sent section. If your list looks short, scroll down and click More to expand the menu until you see Sent, then click it. This view is your complete history of messages you've sent from this account, organized by date. It's the fastest way to recall what you wrote, who you sent it to, and when it went out. Take a moment to scan the sent list. You'll see the subject line, the recipient, a snippet of the first few words, and the time or date. If something looks like the message you're after, open it to confirm. Inside, you can reread the content, check attachments, and verify recipients. This helps you understand exactly what was sent before you decide how to address it. If you don't spot the message right away, use the search bar at the top of Gmail. Type keywords you remember, like a phrase from the subject, a unique term from the body, or the recipient's name. Quotation marks around an exact phrase can narrow results. For example, project timeline. You can also add simple operators to be more precise, like to, followed by a recipient, subject, followed by a word you remember, or has, attachment if you know you included a file. For even finer control, click the search filters icon on the right side of the search bar. This opens search options where you can fill in fields like from, to, subject, includes the words, and date within. Choose has attachment if that applies, then run the search. This is especially useful if you send a lot of emails or you remember only a small detail. When you find the email, open it from the results or jump back to Sent to keep browsing. That's the essential process. Go to Gmail, open Sent, and, if needed, use the search bar and filters to locate your message fast. Once you've found it, you can review the content and decide on any follow-up you want to send. And that's it.